This morning we're going to install the fuel tank in the aircraft. But before we do that, I want to explain to you how they used to do it back in the day when they were doing it on the thing. So I'd like you to bring your camera in and shoot to the back and look inside the aircraft. And you will see there's two radio racks there, and above them is the oxygen tanks, but the oxygen tanks weren't part of this. When they had to replace a fuel tank, someone had to crawl into the back door back there, remove all the radios, remove the radio racks, and then they supported the fuel tank from the back, crawling through the front as they lifted it out of the cockpit area. And then when they put the new one in, they would reverse the process. So you had to have a very small mechanic back there working. We're going to cheat and put it in from the top though. The way it came out was basically it came out vertically through the pilot seat. So the pilot seat had to come out. And there was one person in the front, one in the back, and we would lower it almost vertically, turning. And this is where you had the little guy back there because there was a canopy here. So the small mechanic would be crawling back there. You want to put it up here? There we go. And then when he was back there, he would be the one to have to do this strap.
Now we're talking about
Oh, the gun!
salmon or grass. Keeping it up.
If we could find a way to pull that, I think we can get it. I need just another thread. I don't have enough. No, okay. All right, let's find a way to pull that.
Okay, we're gonna get a socket in. Oh, hold it. Son of a gun.
I can get a long enough socket, we still need to find a way to pull it. I don't know how to do that.
I almost got it.
Now we need to find a way to pull it together. Oh, that did it. Now, do that again just before.
I know you're correct.
Stick it out. Nope. We're not that far. We should be able to get this. It's on.
Is it?
What you need to do is put another piece of rubber in one of the straps,
Yeah.
and that will work. Yeah, got another strip of rubber. Okay.
Yeah, we'll deal with it.
And then the little mechanic would have to put the shelves back in and the radio back in. And hook up the fuel tank and the port and everything else. Smile, Janet, you're on candid camera.
Get out of here!